Hi, my name is Jennifer Rock. I am the very proud founder of Skingredients, an award-winning brand that, as the name suggests, is all about the ingredients for your skin. Almost like a checklist of key ingredients that will help all skin to be smoother, brighter, fresher, more youthful, reduction in redness, reduce size of pores, reduce pigmentation, and ultimately be skin health in a bottle. We are delighted that you're here to learn a little bit more about Skingredients and all the ingredients that go with it. We've created bite-sized videos for each of the products to give you the information that you need, because we are all about getting real results for real people, and the more you can help your clients and the more we can all grow together. It is a heart-filled mission that we are on, so we'd love for you to tell as many clients as you possibly can, because these products have data, have science, and we have massive hearts, so we want to support you to get those results for the real people, real results the Skingredients way. AHA Cleanser is an aha moment for your skin because it's lactic acid, which means it's exfoliating and hydrating. It is a cleanser and a micro mask in one. AHA Cleanse is mildly exfoliating, instantly brightening, leaving the skin smoother and brighter. It's your at-home facial, mask and cleanser in one. It feels instantly creamy when you put it onto the skin. It just rubs in so beautifully all over, and when you take it off, it feels so smooth, so fresh, so instantly bright. It is in no way exfoliating to the point of feeling taut, tight and stripped of any moisture. In fact, it's actually hydrating the skin too. How do you use it? You can use it as often as you want at night. We always say night because exfoliating products do leave the skin slightly more sensitive to light, but we're assuming that you're using your SPF, your skin shield, every single day anyway. So for example, if I had something on this weekend, I want my skin and my makeup to feel really good and smooth and fresh, maybe I want a compliment or two and that's okay, then I'll use this on the Wednesday, the Thursday, the Friday before I go to use it. I also use it all over the body. Sometimes I just mix it into my regular shower gel. So ultimately you can use it as often or as little as you want. It's definitely one to have in the toolkit at home to bring out when your skin needs it. And if you're like me and you're 25 and above and you need that helping hand with exfoliation, then 3 or 4 times a week at night after you're pre-pro'd is ideal. So pre-pro, AHA Cleanse, and then on to the rest of your serums as often as you want. As a cleanser, it's just for 60 seconds. If you're using it as a mask, you just put it on, neat skin, so your skin is cleansed, leave it on for 7 minutes, run around the house, do all the jobs, and then take it off and put on the rest of your serums. So who is this product for? Honestly, if someone says my skin is dry, I need to pick me up, I feel makeup is sitting kind of into my skin, my pigmentation is looking quite severe, we'll talk about what products can really help it long term, but AHA Cleanse will give that instant glow. Ideal in the winter time when you feel that your skin is just a little bit duller, more grey, lethargic. Maybe you're feeling grey and lethargic and you want something that will really give you a boost and a pep in your step. Brilliant pre-event for any different skin type, and ultimately anyone that wants to exfoliate in a respectful way and get that polish without any irritation. Key ingredients inside AHA Cleanse, as you might expect, are AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. The key one that we're working with is a lactic acid. Why? It's an ingredient your skin naturally has, so it understands it really well. It's exfoliating whilst brightening and hydrating. Not only that, with the 8% lactic acid, we also have glycerine, which is known for its hydrating properties. So there's a lot of ingredients in here that are exfoliating, but also hydrating the skin. This makes it a really rare blend that you're exfoliating and hydrating in one, and that is how you get that exfoliating, hydrated, and brightening instant finish. Top tip is to make sure that you gift this to any single person that wants help with their skin. By using this, you'll actually get better results from your serums thereafter. So if you're in love with pre-pro and you're using your 2, your 3, your 4, brilliant. But you want to level up a little bit, then bring AHA into your life a couple of times a week at night as your second cleanse or as a mask. What makes it so unusual is that it's exfoliating whilst hydrating, whereas most products are either hydrating or exfoliating, and we've merged the two together to get you the best results that doesn't compromise the barrier, but in fact actually helps assist the barrier whilst you get that glow. It is packed full of clinicals, you'll see them all up here, and it is a product that people adore time and time again. It's probably the underdog within the Skingredients regime, and you will see results immediately and long term. Ultimately, it helps you get better results because you're slightly exfoliating the skin before you put your award-winning serums on.